The Art of Virtue, a comprehensive exploration of Stoic strategies for earning respect. Introduction. Stoicism, a philosophical school of thought that originated in ancient Greece, has stood the test of time as a guiding principle for personal development and ethical living. This article delves into 9 Stoic strategies aimed at cultivating virtues, fostering resilience, and ultimately earning the respect of those around you. 1. Practice virtue. At the core of Stoicism lies the concept of virtue, the cultivation of qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues serve as guiding principles for ethical living and form the foundation for earning respect. Striving to embody these virtues in everyday actions and decisions sets a standard of behavior that others find admirable. To practice virtue, it's essential to regularly reflect on one's actions and choices, assessing whether they align with these foundational principles. For example, a person demonstrating courage might face challenges head-on without succumbing to fear or hesitation. By consistently embodying virtues, individuals position themselves as ethical leaders, garnering respect from those who value principled living. 2. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism introduces the dichotomy of control, urging individuals to direct their energy toward factors within their control and accept those beyond it. This philosophy encourages a proactive mindset, emphasizing the importance of taking charge of one's reactions, decisions, and attitudes. In the workplace, for instance, an employee who focuses on delivering high-quality work, building strong relationships, and maintaining a positive attitude exemplifies the Stoic principle of control. This deliberate approach to personal responsibility not only enhances individual effectiveness, but also fosters an environment of respect as others witness the dedication to self-improvement and accountability. 3. Maintain emotional resilience. Stoicism places significant emphasis on emotional resilience, the ability to remain calm and composed in the face of challenges. This strategy involves developing a mindset that enables individuals to navigate difficulties without being overwhelmed by emotions. Consider a leader facing a crisis. The Stoic approach involves acknowledging emotions but not letting them dictate actions. By maintaining emotional resilience, leaders inspire confidence in their ability to handle adversity and make sound decisions, thereby earning the respect of those who look up to them. 4. Be mindful of your reactions. Building on emotional resilience, Stoicism advocates for thoughtful responses rather than impulsive reactions. The practice of pausing and reflecting before responding to situations allows individuals to approach challenges with a measured and considered mindset. In personal relationships, this strategy can lead to improved communication and conflict resolution. When faced with a disagreement, a Stoic individual might take a moment to reflect on their emotions and respond with empathy and understanding, fostering a positive and respectful interaction. 5. Live in accordance with nature. Stoicism encourages living in harmony with the natural order of the world. This involves aligning personal values and actions with broader principles of nature, promoting a sense of balance and purpose. Consider the environmentalist who, inspired by Stoic principles, aligns their lifestyle with sustainable practices. By living in accordance with nature, not only do they contribute to environmental well-being, but they also inspire respect from others who appreciate their commitment to ethical living. 6. Cultivate inner strength. The Stoic philosophy views challenges as opportunities for growth, emphasizing the importance of cultivating inner strength and resilience. This strategy involves embracing difficulties with a mindset that perceives obstacles as stepping stones to personal development. In the professional realm, an entrepreneur facing setbacks might draw upon their inner strength to reassess strategies, learn from failures, and persist in their pursuit of success. Such perseverance not only builds character but also earns the admiration of peers and competitors alike. 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoicism, serving as a powerful tool for enhancing well-being and fostering positive relationships. Expressing gratitude for what one has, both in terms of material possessions and personal experiences, contributes to a mindset of contentment and abundance. In a corporate setting, a leader who regularly acknowledges and appreciates the efforts of their team cultivates a positive work culture. This not only boosts morale but also earns the leader the respect of their subordinates, who feel valued and recognized for their contributions. 8. Speak wisely. Stoicism advocates for thoughtful communication and the careful choice of words. Speaking with clarity and wisdom enhances one's reputation and fosters respect from others. This strategy involves avoiding unnecessary gossip, negative language, and promoting substantive, meaningful conversations. In public speaking, for example, a Stoic individual might craft their message carefully, ensuring that it aligns with their values and contributes positively to the discourse. By speaking wisely, individuals position themselves as thoughtful communicators, earning the respect of those who appreciate the power of words. 9. Lead by example. Leading by example is a fundamental Stoic strategy that involves embodying the values one espouses through actions. Whether it's integrity, kindness, or perseverance, individuals who demonstrate these qualities in their daily lives set a powerful example for others. Consider a mentor who, in addition to imparting knowledge, consistently demonstrates ethical decision-making and a strong work ethic. By leading by example, they inspire respect not only for their expertise but also for their character and values. Conclusion. Stoicism offers a profound philosophy for personal development and earning the respect of others. By practicing virtue, focusing on what is within our control, maintaining emotional resilience, and embodying the other Stoic strategies, individuals can cultivate a reputation for ethical living, resilience, and wisdom. In a world that often values these qualities, the Stoic approach provides a timeless guide for navigating life with purpose and earning the respect of those around us.